Today we learn how to use a factory in Laravel. First of all, you should go to your terminal and type php artisan make factory. Its name is category. Here you can see your factory. Just name fact name. Okay, that's it. Because our category name, we have only input field is name. Okay, then you should go your database seeder and call this category. Okay, category model and factory is only 10, and then you need to create define create. Okay, that's it. Fine, just simplify this, beautify, sorry. We are get 100 category. Now insert your database. We are getting this issue because we are decline category factory here and it is a category seeder here. Just you should comment out it, this code, and then you will get success message in database and you will find data. Okay, it is 25 data insert in database. That's it. Thank you so much.